Mga Katimbol Vlogs, welcome sa isa naman Daily Bus Vlog. Ngayong araw to, July 26, 2024. Ang gagamitin natin bus nga ay si bus number 5725 with registration plate number NQY771, which will expire on August 9, 2024. Malapit na, malapit nang mag-expire. So let's deploy the school signs. And check na natin yung mga gulong lang. Kasi yung mga body damages ay okay na yan. Ang tingnan lang natin kung may mga bagong kaskas ba. These are old damages, corrosion from the paint, adjusters are all good. And all good. All roads lead to Willis Linya. Okay, all good. And these are all damages, even at the top, all damage. That one, all damages. This one also, that one also. And fenders are damaged. Adjusters are all good. Adjusters here are all good. Medyo dapa lang yung gulong ng konti. Konti lang naman. Yan mo na yan. Yan talaga. This one all good. Ang paborito nating lahat, ang pag-check sa loob ng bus, baka may nawalang upuan. All good. All good. All good.